Okay, this is a model of the particle theory. So in a solid, all of the particles are close together and they're just vibrating a little bit. If you heat the solid up, the particles vibrate more. And just imagine there's millions or billions of these all next to each other just vibrating. If we go down as cold as we can possibly get, which is called absolute zero, which you can't actually get to, is when there's no motion of the particles whatsoever. And that's at minus 273 degrees Celsius. So anything above that temperature, the particles are vibrating. Now, if we heat the particles up, so this is a solid, these are the particles in a solid. If we heat them up, what happens is they start vibrating more and then they start rolling around each other. So they've got more energy, and that energy has caused them to start rolling over each other. And imagine this again, millions or billions of these all rolling around each other. And if we get the liquid and we heat it up even more, those particles start flying around and we've turned into a gas. So the particles have got a lot more energy, they're just flying around and bouncing off the edges of whatever they hit, and they're colliding off each other and they're colliding off our eyeballs, they're flying around everywhere. And that's when you've got a gas. So you've got a gas, you've got a liquid, and you've got a solid.